response you're getting. Uh, Feeling relaxed, satisfied with the performance of yours and the way the film
I'm
is
feeling
shot?
relieved कि the film has been accepted with so much love. लड़कियों को ऐसा audience reactions मतलब at least box office reactions नहीं मिलता. I'm very grateful कि this film has reached that point of or been the first amongst its kind to reach that kind of business in a week. I feel very proud.
As an actor, we all know that an actor never thought about the collection, but do you mind or do you go for such kind of things while after the film get released? Or
You have to think about collections. Filmmaking is a business. It's not you don't sit down and फिल्में बनाते नहीं अपने ड्राइंग रूम के लिए. बहुत लोगों ने इन्वेस्ट किया है इस फिल्म में, प्रोड्यूसर्स ने पैसे डाले हैं, अपने हार्ड अर्न पैसे, चाहे वो वायकॉम हो या संजय सर हो, तो उनको रिटर्न मिलना जायज़ है. उनका आइडिया था, उनका इन्वेस्टमेंट है, उन्होंने इतना वक्त और हार्ड वर्क किया है फिल्म को बनाने के लिए, तो ऑफ कोर्स उनको रिटर्न्स मिलने ज़रूरी होने चाहिए. एंड इट्स अ बिजनेस. हर एवरी पर्सन हैज़ अ राइट टू अर्न मनी, सो बॉक्स ऑफिस इज किंग. इट्स मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट.
okay, what was your mother's reaction after
मेरी मॉम तो सिर्फ रोती रही. वो तो she couldn't say anything. She just kept holding me and crying and crying and crying and yeah. My mom had, her reaction was very like emotional.
Do you feel now you achieved a lot with this as an actor? Do you feel so?
मेरा काम है कि मैं अपनी हर फिल्म को अपना 100% दूँ, अपने हर किरदार को पर्दे पे I make it look as real as possible. I like being good at my job.
What was that moment when you heard that okay, finally that people are recognizing you as a Medicom through the movie? What was that moment for you?
It's not one moment. अभी सिर्फ 1 week हुआ है. We still have 1 more week to go. I want to see what the film's lifetime business will be, but I'm just so grateful for the appreciation. As an artist, that's all you want. All you want is people to like the work that you do, people to see the effort that you put in, and when you're appreciated for that, it feels very gratifying.
But still, कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा कुछ है दिमाग में कि यार ऐसा और हो जाता तो और मज़ा आ जाता.
वो तो हर फिल्म के साथ होता है. मेरी सबसे बड़ी बड़ी फिल्मों के साथ भी मेरा ऐसा होता है. आई थिंक एक आर्टिस्ट कभी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होता क्योंकि इट्स सो फ्लूइड ना. तो मैं हमेशा फील करती हूँ कि अरे यार ये भी कर लेती, ये भी कर लेती.
Any of the compliment you remember still that in your mind that you want to share with your fans or you want to?
आई थिंक सबसे बड़ा कॉम्प्लीमेंट मेरी का था मेरे लिए, जो मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी. एंड इट रियली टच्ड मी दैट नोबडी knew me till Priyanka Chopra decided to play my part. And बहुत बड़ी बात कही उन्होंने मेरे लिए. मैं बहुत खुशकिस्मत समझती हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे चूज़ किया अपनी कहानी बताने के लिए, अपनी कहानी बयां करने के लिए, उनकी ज़ुबानी, to become her voice. And I'm really grateful that people now are giving her the respect that she should have got 10 years ago.
Yeah, definitely. That is, I'm truly appreciating you. Okay, do you feel now the producer or the distributor or such kind of unsung heroes gonna come up over and they're gonna come up with this kind of efforts, and producers like Sanjay ji and others, Omang, gonna make such more movies, and do you feel you're gonna be part of it? Or maybe
See, don't generalize. I think good films should be made. And I think with Medicom doing well, producers will have a lot more faith in female actors. And I think a film like this will make a dent in the respect, increasing the respect and positioning of a female actor in Hindi films. And the more that films are made like this and the more acceptance business-wise our films get, और ऐसी फिल्में बनती रहेंगी.
Okay, lastly, any wish you had after this?
My wish really was that this film is a success on the box office, because otherwise nobody, no matter how good your work is as an actor, nobody recognizes it until a film is a hit. So I was really, really praying that this film should do well.
Okay, lastly, Dil Dhadakne Do gonna be something different from this Medicom. So
Opposite of Medicom.
Opposite of Medicom. So how you excited and what kind of preparation you made for that now?
I always look for roles which are different from the other. Like before this, I was a Bengali girl in Gunde. Then I did Barfi, I did Krish. So all of my roles are always very different, and Dil Dhadakne Do will be very different from Mary Kom. I'm very excited about it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.